We got all our pumpkins. Dad is using, what tool is this?
A snipper.
So snipping all the handles off. Show us how it works.
Flip underneath, flip on the other side.
Bam.
Boom.
Quick. Pumpkins. Mom is on spray paint duty. Got some white spray paint. Oh, Decky's sad.
Hanging across, it could come to here. So this is a PVC pipe cutter. And you just squeeze.
This video is going to be Dad making a.
Well, we can go smaller, but this is a perfect fit.
No, that's fine. It was just bigger than I expected.
Yeah, the nose is that line right there.
Yeah.
The middle.
Perfect. There you go. And then we put it over here. Can you pull it out? Ready? Get ready. It's gonna come out the other hole. Here, get it from that one. There you go. Good job. Now go put it on the counter, on the shelf over there, so it's ready. Uh-oh.
Yeah. I wanted the white one there.
Right.
Slide back there.
Okay, with any project, you typically have to make a second run to Home Depot. So here I am at Home Depot. We're gonna get some sandbags to fill the potted area along with the bricks. All right, got my sand, and they had pumpkins for $5. So I thought it'd be kind of cute to put pumpkins in the pots as well.
They're 50-pound bags of sand.
Another issue that I ran into with this arch is, like I said, since it has no support, like no door frame to zip tie the poles to or anchor the poles to or anything, like the left side is, I'm looking at, is just free flowing right now. It was blowing in the wind back and forth, so I had to, well, I've come up with a solution, probably just temporarily until I figure out something better. Probably can't see it because I've attached a fishing wire and it's so tiny, but there's a fishing wire on that corner and it goes down to this sandbag and a brick. Obviously that's in the driveway, so we're gonna have to come up with a different solution, but it's keeping it
from blowing back and forth right now.
So, a lot of the pumpkins aren't staying in place. We came home last night and I legit thought someone stole my pumpkins because a lot of them were turned the other way, so the arch just looked kind of empty. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to hot glue gun the pumpkins, the base of them together, and I've actually already done a few. I just had to run to Michael's, grab some more glue, and I'm gonna do more, and it does seem like it's helping them stay in place. So that is my current solution, because I don't have any support on the arches to like for them to not turn and twist. It's just an open-aired space. So for the final touches here, Michael's had a huge fall sale. So these were on sale for $5. They're not the most realistic looking leaves, but honestly that's probably the best since these will be outside. I got a more reddish pack and a more orangish pack. I think I'll probably use the more orangish one because that's just gonna flow better with the color of the pumpkins. I will intertwine these in between the pumpkins, and then I saw a video where someone used Scotch Guard on it to protect this from the rain. So hopefully I can use them next season. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, that one little piece didn't go very far, so we're gonna need to do a lot more. I bought 4, but we're gonna have to use that red. It'll just be intermixed.